Hey beautifuls! Welcome back to my channel today. So we're going to be diving into my test tube beauty subscription box for summer. This beauty box is always packed. It is presented by New Beauty and they somehow managed to fill this box. I mean, like every nook and cranny is filled with products. So it's usually a really great value every time I open it up. So I have my newest box, the summer box here. We're going to go ahead and check it all out and see what's inside. So if you've never seen this subscription box before, this is a quarterly beauty subscription. Originally, when New Beauty created this, they had an actual tube, and it was really cool because every single quarter we'd get this test tube full of products, and the idea was that you were trying out new products that were released on the market. So they were always new beauty items that you could try out first, and you essentially were testing these items. Now, a couple of years ago, they did switch and they went to the cardboard boxes just because the beauty products were difficult to fit inside of the tube. And I do feel like you get more products now that we're in the cardboard box versus the tube itself. So I personally, while the tubes were cute, I do kind of like the change because I feel like we get better products now than we did before. But that's the idea behind this box, is that you're going to get really great beauty products. They're no longer all new products. This now will just send you great products and items to try. Some of them are tried and true. They've been around a while. So it has kind of shifted over the years, but it still has the same name. Now, inside of every one of your test tube subscription boxes, you will receive a free issue of the New Beauty magazine. This is the magazine that's included in the summer box right now. This one is my favorite issue because this is going to include all of the 2024 award-winning products. Now, usually what I will do is I will keep this magazine for the full year until the next one comes out. And what I like is that it will tell you these are the award winners for every category, and they break it down even into subcategories as well. So it's kind of how I stay on top of beauty, of like what's out there and what's working and different things, because I'll keep track of this and go through it. So for example, they will have in here like this is the best makeup for your eyes. And they'll list off all of the best mascaras in here. But it's not just the best overall mascara. They'll say, okay, you want length? This is the best lengthening mascara, which they listed as the Anastasia Beverly Hills. If you want the best volume, they recommend Clinique. If you want the best lash serum, then they recommend Revitalash. They have so many different options that it's not just best mascara overall, but they're going to break it down depending on what you need. So I like how detailed this one is. So of all of the magazines, this summer issue is always my favorite one, but this is the first item included in our box today. So the next item inside of our box is from Wander Beauty. This is their On the Glow Blush and Illuminator Stick. So this is a full-size cream stick product. And the shades that we have are Bare and Nude Glow. So we're going to get a blush and a highlighter duo in here. And they're both going to be a cream formula. Now, if you wanted to purchase this at the stores, it would retail for $38. So here's what that stick will look like right out of the box. And like I said, on one end, you're going to have your blush, which will be this color here. And what's great about it being a cream formula is they're going to blend in so well. I feel like they're almost easier to blend in than powder formulas are. But then you also get this illuminator or highlighting stick, so you can actually put this right above as well. And this way you can get a really nice natural finish that gives you just kind of like a soft glow. It's not going to be super strong, but perfect for this summer. If you want a really light makeup look, you can just add a little blush on, a little bit of highlighter. This will be perfect for that. And we have a little bit of Grande Cosmetics in here. I love this, you guys. Excellent product. This is the Lash Enhancing Serum. So it is a serum for your eyelashes to help them to grow. They'll be longer, stronger, and they're just beautiful, you guys. I always talk about how my mom uses this product And one day I looked at her and I was like, wow, Mom, your lashes are like, I could visibly see them because like she had blinked or something and I saw it against her skin. And I was like, wow, they look really long. And she's like, this is what I've been using. So it's a clear serum that you just coat on your lashes. This is a full-size product. It has 3 months worth of product inside of this. And you'll just put it on and it will do all the work for you. So there's peptides and biotin all in the formula, which will help it to grow longer and stronger. But yes, 100% works. If you were going to buy this product, it retails for $68, you guys. Now, this one product alone just paid for my entire box because the entire box is $59 and this is $68. I love when that happens because this is a box that I do pay for every single quarter. And to find a box that pays for itself in one item is hard to do anymore. But this box usually does that every quarter. So I'm always in love with it because they give you good items. Next up in my box, we do have some serum concentrates from Babor. This is their collagen firming serums. So there are 7 of these little glass vials inside and they will help to firm your skin up. They're also going to give you some plumpness, strengthen it up, and they're going to use collagen to do that. So this one is vegan. It's also dermatologist tested and it is a clean beauty product. But this product does work. If you would like to have firmer skin, I do recommend it. This one will come in at $50 though for this box. We do have another serum in the box here. This is the Soursop Vitamin C Serum. It's from a brand called Sweet July Skin. I don't know this brand, but it looks cute. I like the packaging with the flowers here. So this one says to protect your skin with vitamin C. This is a serum that features antioxidants and other acids. It will help to make your skin brighter and to glow with this lightweight formula. Oh. Now it does mention that you could mix this into like a sunscreen or a moisturizer as well. So you could put it on by itself, but if you wanted to, you could just mix it in and it would also work. Now this says that it's $65. That's an expensive serum again. I mean, 65 bucks. That is bougie. So this is what it looks like outside of the box here. So it does have a pump up at the top and then you're able to just twist this open and you can pump that right out. It's kind of cute how it locks in place. That way it won't spill anywhere. One of my favorite brands ever is Earth Harbor and we have their restorative eye cream in the box. This is also full size, and this one is definitely cruelty-free and vegan. So this is one reason why I love Earth Harbor is because all of their products are clean beauty. They use plant-based ingredients. So it's all natural and it is cruelty-free vegan skincare. So this eye cream will help to tighten and brighten that under eye area. This one comes in at $34 for it. Can you believe the values we're seeing so far? Like every time I pull an item out, it's like, oh, this costs $35, this is $40, this is $60. I mean, like seriously, these are really high numbers. There's also included in the box a rose moisture mask. This is made with genuine rose petals, it says, and it's made in France. 50 mil. So I'm gonna pull this out, but my hunch is if it's made with real rose petals, it is probably gonna smell really strong like rose. But this is what it looks like here. You've got this plastic acrylic bottle. I wish it was glass, but it is still pretty. And this mask is supposed to give you hydration. Oh, look at that. There are real rose petals in there. So at first it kind of looks like a chutney or something. You know what I mean? Like you put it on crackers. So don't eat this, but it does kind of look like that. But you can see the real dried rose petals in it. And there's lots of them, so I love that. Surprisingly, it's not a strong rose scent. It smells a little bit like rose, but I mean, it's not like what I thought it was gonna be. It smells really good though. It does smell perfumed, but not like straight roses. Now, I've never tried this rose mask before, but it says it retails for $42 on their website. So again, full-size products, I mean, more than paying for the box today. So next up, we have the EOS product. This is their shaving oil serum. Oh, I need this. I love getting shaving serums or creams or anything because it helps to not have like ingrown hairs, and it makes my skin softer. And I do shave more in summertime inevitably just because I'm out and about more. So this one is safe for sensitive skin. It has shea butter inside of it. There's 6 ounces, and it will help to protect, soften, and prevent any irritation while shaving. It is a cashmere cream product, so it should be ultra smooth. Because if you're going to use the word cashmere to describe something, I would expect it to be really, really soft and smooth. But I'm excited. So it says that it's a silky pH balanced oil. You'll put this on and it will protect you from razor burn and give you a smooth shave every time. It's even bikini area approved. That is going to be so helpful. I'm excited for this product, you guys. So this one retails for $8.99. That's it? Wow. You know, after seeing all of these other prices, I'm like, $8.99 is cheap. So I'm still going to use this. I really hope it works. Even at that price point, that just means I'll just rebuy it if it does, because I do need it. We also have a clarifying shampoo and scalp scrub. This is from Nature Lab Tokyo, and it is a full-size product, cruelty-free. This scrub will help to remove any buildup that you might have on your scalp, or like product buildup that can happen on the roots of your hair. It will help to get rid of any oils that you have. And because it is not only clarifying, but it's going to have the scrub in there, it will break down any sort of dry skin that you might have or flakes in your hair as well. I used something like this when my scalp got burned from the sun, which, you guys, I tried so hard to protect it. And I tell you what, that Florida sun gets through everything. But it did burn, and sure enough, I started to get all the flakes as it peeled. And so I just kept using these exfoliating scrubs to try to break it up so that way it would get out of my hair. Works really well. So I've used this one in the past. I do think this is a good one. It works nice and easy, cleans it up. It smells really good too. This one is $19 for it, so not as expensive as some of the other products, but I do like that it is a full-size item. I still have 2 more items in here, you guys. So my next item is a lip liner. This is from Hotline, which I don't know who that is. Monica Blunder Beauty. I don't know this brand at all, but it says that it's vegan and PETA approved. And this lip liner is in the shade Davy. So I'm going to pull this out. Oh, that's pretty. Here's what the color looks like. I can work with that for summer. That's a really nice color. So is it a cream formula? Oh no, it's a pencil. Okay, so here's our pencil liner. I do think it's a really pretty shade though. So that is gorgeous. Okay, I like it. I wonder, it says it's made with love in Europe. Okay, so this is probably a brand that I just don't see as often over here in the States, but I bet you anything this is popular. It does say that this is a creamy formulation that is smooth and smudge resistant, and it goes great with a lip gloss as well. I really like the shade. I do think that's gorgeous. Last item inside of our box today, which I feel like we've already opened up a ton for the record, but we do have one more product. It is the leave-in conditioning spray from the Cleanest Lab. Full-size product once again. This spray will help to give you hydration back to your hair, but it's also going to prevent a static, and it will give you a bit of shine on your hair as well. So this one says it will tame flyaways because it will take down that static. Usually you want to spritz this on when your hair is damp and then kind of brush it through and then dry it after that. But this one says do not rinse it out. You want to leave it on. It is a gluten-free formula and silicone-free. Love that. I love when there's not silicone in the hair products. So this should make it nice and silky too. But this is our full-size product. The retail value on this one is $36 for it. Seems about average for a conditioning spray. And especially again in summertime, it's hotter and it dries everything out faster. I do use the conditioner a little bit more than even in wintertime. So I will absolutely use that again. So that is everything inside of my test tube beauty subscription box for summer. Comment down below. Let me know what you guys think of this box. From a reviewing aspect, you make your money back with one item, but there's multiple items in here that will pay for this box. So the fact that you're getting hundreds of dollars in exchange for your $59 price point makes this box absolutely worth it, and I love it. And honestly, this one, I definitely get the summer vibes. We've got lots of hydration in here. I love the shaving cream, so excited for that. Or the oil, it's a shaving oil. That's going to be perfect for this year. I do like that there's a lot of tried and true products, brands that I recognize and know. So yes, love this from a recommendation standpoint and from a personal standpoint. Love this box this season. So comment down below, we can chit chat all about it. And again, if you would like to get the exact same box that I just opened up, I will be posting that link down below for you guys and you can check it out. But until next time, beautifuls, have a great day and I will see you all in my next unboxing video. Bye!